Hello everyone, my name is Brett. I am a Unity3D game developer, and I am the instructor for this course. I have used the Unity3D game engine to create multiple games, which are published on both the Google Play and Apple App Stores. Through the development process of creating a mobile game with Unity3D, I have encountered numerous deployment issues such as Google Play Services and Google AdMob errors, which have pushed me back from publishing my games. However, in this course we will be going over how to resolve these issues in no time while building a fully functional mobile game. The fully fledged game we are creating is called Match Wheel. We'll go through the process of setting up assets, optimizing scenes, programming, implementing ads, and creating all the cool animation effects for this game. Then you will learn how to port the game we created to Android and iOS devices and resolve all the issues that come with that, which we mentioned earlier. And at the end we will publish the game we have created to both the Android and Apple App Stores. By the end of the course you'll be able to confidently develop and publish a game to the Android and Apple App Stores. Stop having troubles deploying your Unity3D games to the Android and Apple App Stores. Join this course now to get your games available to millions of Android and iOS users. I look forward to seeing you inside the course.